Hey Griffin, this is Paul Heck with Grassfire. Just want to get back to you on what I found for doing some just promotion of your website, SEO work, and just kind of what's available out there. So some things that I'm seeing across the space for blinds and shades and such that you guys provide. There's sort of a lower level of search volume for anything specific from a search term like shades in Fayetteville or blinds in Fayetteville or whatnot. And I like to do that location-based thing. So like to promote your website is going to be a little bit more on the more national type keywords like just shades near me, blinds near me, those types of things. But I can tell you that when somebody types in blinds in Fayetteville or blinds Bentonville, and using specific terms of that, you're popping up for some and you're not popping up for others. So that's going on in the space. And what I'm looking at is like, how do we set you guys apart to really capture that for one? And that's going to be number one, all about content on your website that has to be keyword rich. So we're going to get some of those keywords in there about Fayetteville, maybe even creating sort of a what we call like a location page where there's actual content around both Fayetteville and Bentonville, Rogers, Springdale, wherever we can deem that there's search going on that you're not showing, and get that content on there so that you will show up and pop up in those areas. So that's number one thing, is the content on your website. We have to get that right. Now we're looking at how AI is picking you guys up and different things on the different AI language models and such, and getting that content on there in a specific way that we do that so that you guys can be found more and more and not just in the Fayetteville market. The second thing is what we call backlinks. So this is sort of like building power to your website. And this is the SEO side of things where we're going out and creating blogs and posts on different outside websites that are going to have an anchor text about blinds, Fayetteville AR, blinds, Bentonville AR, that type of thing. They're going to link back to your site and give you some power for those different search terms. So that's what we're doing on the link building side of things. It's not a quantity of links, it's the quality of those types of links. So we want to make sure that we're doing posts on sites that are about home remodels, about windows and things like that, so that it's real relevant to you guys. The third thing is what we call citations. So this is going to help boost not only your website, but also your Google business profile. Getting citations created so that it's got your name, address, phone number, your social media, all of those different links correct across the board, so that, again, we're kind of building a big footprint, spider web footprint on the internet, if you will, to drive power to your site. So that's the three things that I'm doing on your site from an SEO perspective to get things on the content on your web pages and really get that strength coming to you. The other thing that I'm seeing that is really kind of unique to you guys is, like, I know it looks like all of your sites for you and several other companies are sort of Hunter Douglas branded sites. Like maybe you guys got the site for them, because not only you guys, but the Blind Lady, and then Bentonville Blinds, and I think there's even some others that I ran across, are all showing the same style of website, and that is not going to set you apart at all. You do have a company called Lisa's Louvers that they have their own website. You can tell that they put some quality time in it, some branding kind of effort to get them to look and be set apart. You've also got Bumblebee Blinds that is doing the same thing. So I would recommend going that route and getting away from this sort of standardized type of website, because you've got a lot of competitors in the space that look exactly the same. So, there's really nothing different being sold or shared on there that's setting you guys apart. So that's one thing that I wanted to just show you, that there's several competition that look exactly like you guys. Now, if I look at just some of the search things, so if I type in blinds, Fayetteville AR, you've got a lot of guys running sponsored ads. So this is something that I was putting them at the very, very top. You've got this Bumblebee Blinds, you've got blinds.com and Select Blinds. I know those are more national things. And then Lisa's Louvers is actually running ads as well. So those are always going to be at the very, very top. So if you're wanting to be at the very, very top, you got to run some ads, some Google ads. And we do those types of ad campaigns as well. It's outside of our SEO, but they do sort of complement each other. Then you've got the map section here where you guys are showing in the Fayetteville market based on, just your location and the amount of blinds companies in the Fayetteville market. So you're popping up there. Now you can go away if there's other blind companies that pop up and they have more reviews, they're more optimized. We do all this optimization for you on your Google Business Profile as a part of what we do on the SEO side of things. They support each other. But one thing I can already see that you guys need to start doing is getting more reviews coming in, these 5-star reviews, because Budget Blinds has got 514 and you guys got 14. So there's a big gap there. You don't have to beat them in quantity, but it's going to help if you have a whole lot. So that's something I would recommend. And then like who's showing up in the organic section? You've got the blind lady of NWA showing up first, and you guys are popping in the 3rd slot there, and then this Bumblebee is kind of right on y'all's tail in number 4. So that's kind of what's going on in the Fayetteville market. None of you guys have content that's really well other than the Bumblebee, and I'd have to take a little bit more in-depth look, if we were doing work for you guys to figure out what keywords they're going after and how much they are promoting the Fayetteville market and other markets to get them to rank right there. Now, if I look at just what's going on your website, you have 0 strength meter showing up. You've got 37 backlinks. This is sort of just normal amount of backlinks that happen just naturally almost because the internet does pick you up. But you're not really getting shown for any keywords. And so what is that keyword that you're being shown for is upholstery shops in Fayetteville. So I'm not even sure you guys do upholstery, but that you are popping up for that particular keyword, which has got 10 people searching for that each month. So we've got to get that dialed in on those search terms. Definitely want to have some blind search terms, shades, all of these other services, wallpaper and such showing up so you guys are found for that. Now, if I look at Lisa's Louvers, their site is just showing a little bit more. They're kind of targeting NWA as their keyword. They do show that they do different services, and they've got pages built for all of those different things. Some great profile pictures and such. It's a little bit, disorganized and kind of clunky with how much just, kind of stays on the page as you scroll. But they are showing some just content on there from a branding standpoint that sets them apart a little bit different from you guys. From a search standpoint, they're getting shown for shutters and shades near me, 30 searches a month for that. Blinds near me, actually misspelled. There's 50 searches for actual misspelling. It's kind of interesting. And then blinds Fayetteville AR, they are getting shown for that in and of itself. So that's something that, we want to get those keywords in there. If you look at Bumblebee blinds, again, they're just representing themselves in a different way, a little bit more unique way. And they, definitely are talking about, you can see they've got blind installation services in Springdale AR. That's sort of a long tail keyword. Blind installers in Springdale, they're looking at that from a keyword perspective. So you can see that they're sort of branding this particular website page for Springdale. And if I typed in Springdale, they would, blind Springdale, they would probably pop up in the top position there. Now looking at what's going on their site, again, it's a national site, so they're getting a whole lot of power. 47 on the domain rating just because they have so many different locations. I'm not worried about that because I drill down into the specific location of like, how do we beat them here locally? And then you've got 3 keywords popping up for them. Shades blinds near me, Arkansas blinds, and then blinds Fayetteville AR. Again, they are getting found for those keywords. So Bentonville blinds, similar theme to you guys. 0 across the board pretty much. They have a few more backlinks, but they're nothing of any concern because they're not really good ones, and it's not giving them any power. Now, what was concerning is like if I type in blinds near me or blinds Bentonville, let's see, blinds near me, you've got Bumblebee popping up, sponsored ads again. You guys do pop up in the local market here because I'm searching in Fayetteville, and you've got the blind lady, Lisa's, Lowe's, how, so you guys are kind of way down on the page for even just the blinds near me keyword. So we definitely got to get that changed as well. Sorry, I'm running a little bit long on this, but I just want to show you a couple of things. And then if I type in blinds Bentonville AR, you guys pass the sponsored ads. Bumblebee budget blinds CMP are popping up in the Google Business Profile. Bentonville blinds got you covered. You guys are just not showing up at all in that Bentonville market. So, I'm sure there's a good amount of blinds being sold in that area, and you definitely want to be found for that. So we're going to do that by content and getting some backlinks built to that specific content for that Bentonville market, in addition to whatever I find for Rogers, Springdale, Salem Springs, any other areas that we're really trying to target. So that's sort of it in a nutshell as far as like how we do. Again, it's three things. It's content on your website. Is it keyword rich? Do we have the right amount and the right type of backlinks being built to your site to power it up, bring some strength to you, getting those citations created so that you've got a big footprint out on the internet and you can be found online for the different areas where you guys do business. So Paul Haight with Grassfire Digital Marketing. You can reach me at 479-326-7899 or just hit me back on the email. Hope this was helpful in how we do things and just what we're seeing out there. I'd love to talk with you further about what you guys are looking to do. Thanks.